statement. Consider the following provision related to Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana risk coverage. First, telling that it provide insurance coverage only for a standing crop in the field and does not cover pre-sowing and post-harvest losses. Yes, this is incorrect because only make this statement incorrect. Second, telling it cover localized calamities such as hailstorm, landslide, and inundation. Yes, very correct statement. Third, telling that the scheme compensate farmer for the mid-season crops losses if the yield is reduced by more than 50% due to the adverse climatic condition. Yes, this is also correct. Second and third is correct. So he asking correct one. So B become the correct answer. Next question number second, asking that which of the following base explain why a Starlink satellite broadband is considered superior to the traditional internet service. Option A, telling a Starlink satellite orbit in the geostationary orbit allowing seamless global coverage. Second, telling that it eliminates the need for the ground station, making it completely independent of the terrestrial infrastructure. It eliminates the need for the ground station, making it completely independent of the terrestrial infrastructure. This is incorrect. And C, telling that the Starlink uses a low Earth orbit satellite constellation, reducing latency and compared to the traditional satellite internet. This is correct. This is incorrect. Elimination make this assessment correct. Incorrect. And this is first one is also incorrect. Third, telling that it operates using fiber optical communication in a space, ensuring higher speed than the terrestrial broadband. This is also incorrect. So C become the correct answer. C become the correctest answer. The Starlink uses low Earth orbit satellite constellation, reducing latency compared to traditional satellite internet. And C telling that match the following technological intervention under the PMFBY with their respective feature. Option A, telling that ASTEC, AI based yield estimation, and B, telling that BINS is the installation of the automatic weather station, and C, telling that Krishi Rakshak portal is online grievance redressal. Bhuvan GIS based satellite monitoring. So A match to the fourth, third, and B match to the fourth, C match to the one, and D match to the second. So in this way the answer is A. A become the correct match. Next question number 4, asking that consider the following a statement regarding the PEDAS export promotion initiative. PEDAS provide financial assistance to the exporter under the Agriculture Export Promotion Fund to enhance international competitiveness. Very correct statement. Second, telling that PEDA promotes the geographical indication typing of agriculture product for the brand recognition in global market. Yes, second is also correct. Which of the above statement is are correct? They are asking the C, 1 and second. Next question number 5, asking consider the following statement regarding the PM Yuva. The scheme offer a mentorship program where selected young authors receive training from renowned writer. Yes, very correct statement. Second, telling that it implemented by Prasar Bharati to promote regional language literature in India. This is incorrect. Third, telling that selected books under the scheme will be translated into multiple Indian language and promoted internationally. This is correct. Second is incorrect. First and third is correct. So he asking correct one. So B become the correct answer. Next question number 6. Asking that which of the following base explain the primary objective of the mission Amrit Sarovar. Option A, telling that to develop large scale reservoir for the hydroelectric project in Himalayan state. This is incorrect. Second, telling that to construct and rejuvenate ponds across India for water conservation and groundwater recharge. This is correct. And C telling that to create artificial lakes in urban area to promote tourism and biodiversity conservation. This is incorrect. And D telling that to expand irrigation network by linking major rivers and through the inter-basin water transfer. This is also incorrect. So first is correct. 2. Construct and rejuvenate ponds across the India for water conservation and groundwater recharge. Next question 7 is consider the following key property of miscellaneous bricks. Option A telling that they are fire resistance, but prolonged exposure to extreme heat can degrade them. And second, they naturally bind together, eliminating the need of the synthetic adhesive. This is incorrect. No, this is correct. And the third telling that they are completely impermeable to water, making them suitable for underwater structure. This is incorrect. And fourth telling that their biodegradability can be controlled using a specific post-processing treatment. This is correct. So 1, 2, and 3rd is correct. So which of the following are correct? So A become the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following best explain the primary objective of the No Money for Terror conference? Option A telling to promote cashless transaction to prevent illicit financial flow in developing country. To promote cashless transaction to prevent illicit financial flow in the developing country. To develop an international treaty that bans cryptocurrency usage in the global financial system. To strengthen global cooperation in tracking and preventing terror financing. To create a single global regulatory body for anti-money laundering compliance. So here the C is the correct answer. To strengthen global cooperation in tracking and preventing terror financing. So C become the correct answer. Next question 9 is consider the following statement regarding the National Cooperative Development Corporation contribution to the India's cooperative sector. National Cooperative Development Corporation play a major role in the funding farmers producer organization under the cooperative development program. Is correct. And second telling that NCDC means National Cooperation Development Corporation. National Cooperative Development Corporation has been instrumental in promoting digital platform for cooperative, enabling online marketing of the cooperative product. And third telling that Mission Sahakar 2022 aim to double the cooperative sector contributing to the India's GDP. So third is also correct, second is also correct, first is also correct. So I asking correct one, so D become the correct answer. C become the correct answer, all the above. Next question number 10 asking that consider the following key provision under the Immigration and Foreign Bills 2025. The bill introduced a special visa category for higher skilled workers and foreign investor. Is correct. See, second telling a strength penalty on the carrier airlines shipping company for transporting unauthorized person into the India. Second is also correct. Third telling that the bill allows the government to deny visa to individual based on their country's diplomatic relation with India. So 3 is also correct. So here asking which of the above are correct. So D become the correct answer. So I would like to stop here. See you will in the new video in the new question with the new question.